Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the golden era of muscle cars with one of the most iconic vehicles of all time, the 1965 Pontiac GTO. Often called the grandfather of muscle cars, this beast redefined American performance and style. Let's take a closer look at what made the 65 GTO a legend. The 1965 Pontiac GTO featured bold styling that reflected its performance-driven soul. With its dual headlights, stacked grille, and muscular body lines, it exuded confidence and power. The signature hood scoop was not just for looks, it hinted at the monster hiding underneath. Under the hood, the GTO came standard with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an impressive 335 horsepower. For those craving even more power, the tri-power option was available, boosting the engine to 360 horsepower with 3 two-barrel carburetors. This setup made the GTO a force to be reckoned with on the streets and the drag strip. The interior of the 1965 GTO was equally impressive, offering a blend of comfort and performance-focused design. With bucket seats, a wood-grain dash, and an optional Hurst shifter, the cabin provided an immersive driving experience. This model year also introduced a significant update with the optional rally gauge cluster and a sporty 3-spoke steering wheel, adding to the car's premium feel. The 1965 GTO wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon that helped define the muscle car era. Its combination of performance, style, and affordability earned it a legendary status that persists to this day. Thank you for joining us here at Auto Trend as we celebrated this classic piece of American automotive history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car stories. See you next time.